Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without installing the Windows 11 from a bootable USB drive or some other ways through the update option of Windows 10. So for that you have to make sure your TPM is on and your secure boot is on. You can visit our channel to know how you can enable TPM and enable the secure boot option in your computer, but also you have to make sure if there is a TPM chip in your motherboard or if your processor support Windows 11 or not. These compatibility check settings mainly. So you can also visit our channel for to know how you can check the compatibility of your computer, that if it supports Windows 11 or not. So once you have made sure of all this, all you have to do is just go to your Windows 10 update settings. So I'm currently using Windows 11 as I have updated from Windows 10. So I have took a screenshot for showing you guys. So basically in your Windows 10 settings you will get this Windows 11 update option. So you can just update it from here. So basically you have to open your settings in Windows 10 and go to this update and security option, and there you have to go to Windows Update, and here it will automatically show Windows 11 update option, but it may not show to you guys. The main reason for that is that you are not updated to the latest version of Windows 10. So for that you have to update your computer to the latest version. Basically you have to update Windows 10 from this Windows Update option. So once there are no update, you have to close it and restart your computer, and it will the Windows 11 update will appear. If you have enabled the TPM and the secure boot option, then you can just simply download the update and click on restart now. It will completely change your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So that's how you can basically switch from Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.